Hello, I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to walk you through how to save the seeds from peas. Peas are one of the easiest seeds to save because they are self pollinating and don't readily cross pollinate with other pea varieties nearby, so they stay true to type. The process of collecting the seeds is also very easy. The peas I have today are sugar snap peas, which are the type of peas with edible pods. Once the peas start to flower, it takes about a week to get a nice sized edible pod. But if you want to collect the seeds, you will need to leave the pea pod on the plant for a bit longer. For collecting the seeds, you want to wait until later in the season to let the peas go because once the plant has sensed that it's completed its mission of making seeds, it'll stop making any more flowers and pea pods. To collect the seeds, you need to wait until the pea pod starts to turn brown and gets all dry and crunchy. You can then remove the pea pods from the plant. Removing the seeds from the pods is easy. Once the pods have dried, you can easily split the pod open along the seam and the peas will fall right out. As you're going through your peas, make sure to remove any that are moldy or look like they've already sprouted. Sometimes they'll be cracked or even have a little root tail sticking out. As always, store your seeds somewhere cool, dark, and dry. And if you'd like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!